Russia's terrifying arsenal of nuclear and high-powered weapons may send chills down our spines, but there's no denying that they are the leaders in rocket technology. While frightening to imagine, here are 10 of the most dangerous weapons in Russia's arsenal. Zircon Hypersonic Missile. Hypersonic missiles may be some of the most frightening weapons of war, as they are nearly impossible to stop. Russia has proven itself more technologically advanced with their latest development of the Zircon missile. It can travel at speeds of Mach 6 and can be used to intercept a nuclear warhead. While rumor has it that these hypersonic missiles may already be on board submarines and bombers, Russia claims they will not be ready for service until sometime in 2017. Microwave technology. Microwave technology may sound out of this world, but apparently nobody told the Russian military. In secret, they began developing microwave weaponry to disable the electronic components of enemy aircrafts, tanks, and other advanced weaponry. These weapons contain no actual rounds or projectiles of any kind, but use bursts of radiation to take down enemy drones and missiles, rendering them useless. They can also be used to confuse guidance systems and render electronic systems inoperable. While not much is known about these weapons, their potential is certainly dangerous. ADS Amphibious Rifle. Russia's expertise in underwater weaponry has expanded beyond warheads and submarines in recent years, and the ADS amphibious rifle is certainly a testament to that. In 2013, they created a rifle that was equally effective above and below the water, something they had had trouble with in the past with earlier designs. This weapon was designed for Russian special forces, specifically an underwater unit used to sneak up on unsuspecting enemies. The ADS is equipped with a magazine that holds rounds for underwater firing as well as land-based attacks. Laser weaponry. While it may sound like the stuff of science fiction, Russia has been toying with the idea of laser technology for quite some time. In the early 1990s, there were rumors that the Russian military was experimenting with lasers during the Cold War. While there is no concrete evidence yet, the Russians have admitted to dabbling with the technology in the past. They have even admitted to working on anti-missile lasers using CO2. While the downsides seem to outweigh the benefits, it doesn't seem like Russia will be shelving the idea of laser weaponry anytime soon. Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker E. High-flying and incredibly fast, Russia's Sukhoi Su-35 Flanker E is one of the best fighter aircrafts in their arsenal. Able to travel at Mach 1.5, more than 45,000 feet in the air, it's amazing that its maneuverability is still so precise. With advanced avionics and weaponry, it could even rival the stealthy Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. It is also equipped with long-range air-to-air missiles to take down enemy aircrafts. Noodle Anti-Satellite Missile. The majority of military communication and GPS around the globe relies on satellite connections, so imagine what would happen if they could be destroyed. That's exactly what Russia's Noodle anti-satellite missile would do. Designed to breach the atmosphere, these rocket-powered missiles would be used to shoot down enemy satellites as they orbit the Earth. Rumors have circulated that Russia has performed successful tests with this new anti-satellite technology already, and this has American forces concerned. Pak-Da Space Bomber. Rumors have been circulating about the possibilities of such a weapon even existing, but Russia has claimed that they have already run successful test flights. Considering Russia's space program is the best in the world, it should come as no surprise that they have been able to weaponize the technology. They have begun developing an aircraft that would be out of reach from any of the world's weapons, the Pak-Da Space Bomber. This plane would essentially become a spacecraft, switching from jet fuel to methane and oxygen once it left Earth's atmosphere. It would be invisible to radar and armed with hypersonic missiles and possibly even nuclear weapons. Tu-160 M2. The original Tu-160 was created to compete with America's B-1, but the supersonic strategic bomber has come a long way since then. The Tu-160M2, nicknamed Blackjack, won't see its first flight until 2019, but it is already proving to be a formidable machine. The new planes were designed with more advanced engines, which allow them to reach speeds over Mach 2. Russia plans to build at least 50 of these highly modernized aircrafts once the final improvements have been nailed down. Uran-9 combat robot. While drones are well known, Russia has also been experimenting with robotic weaponry to create unmanned tanks. The Uran-9 combat robot is basically a remote-controlled tank that stands at a few feet tall. While quite tiny, they are equipped with anti-aircraft and tank missiles, machine guns, and even a cannon. While deadly to soldiers on the ground, they were also designed to carry the wounded if necessary. They have yet to be tested, but that is likely to change in the coming weeks. RPK-16 Sniper Machine Gun. Exactly as the name would suggest, the RPK-16 sniper machine gun is a terrifying cross between the power of a machine gun and the accuracy of a sniper rifle. Single shots can be fired, but it is also capable of firing bursts of ammunition like a standard machine gun. It is equipped with a scope and has a lengthened barrel to allow for minimum recoil. Developed by the Kalashnikov arms manufacturers, this terrifying hybrid comes with a 96-round drum. That's a lot of bullets. Do any of these crazy weapons interest and/or terrify you? Leave us a comment down below and be sure to share your thoughts with us. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to The Riches for more informative videos daily. Thanks for watching.